Ah! Oh! Oh!
Are you gonna mow the lawn like you keep saying you will? It really needs it now, Charlie.
Sure, dear. I'll get right on that.
Just be careful around the flower garden.
Will do. Izzy! 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 Izzy!
Yes, Dad?
How would you like to make $10 mowing the lawn?
$20.
Fine. Just call me when it's done.
Huh. I'm out of here.
What the... Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, not this. Oh no.
Charlie, what have you done to my garden?
Oh! Oh dear, you're home.
Get over here, Charlie.
I think I hear the mailman.
Charlie, get back here.